Oh my God, a bucket mouth.
Yeah, yeah.
Bucket mouth. And I didn't need the big ass swim bait.
Nope.
What the hell is this?
This boy done did it again. Oh my God, man. He got his new PB. 6 pounds, 4 ounces. 23 and a quarter. Back to back. This boy's just breaking PBs left and right. I'm starting to get jealous. Where's my PB? God damn, man. He got it though. On my boat. Yup. I have a feeling he's gonna be breaking it again pretty soon. Let's finish watching him weigh this thing in.
Oh, dude, this is 514 or 6'1".
What do you think?
23, like
No,
I
close
said.
his mouth.
That's 23 no matter what.
Mouth closed.
23.
Man, 23 and a quarter.
How did I just get the
Hang
same 23 again?
23 and a quarter.
And I just caught a 23.
Wow.
How does this happen?
Good shot, Michael.
I think he might beat my PB
Let's see.
by a couple ounces. This might be a 6.1.
We about to check right now.
Holy I'm in disbelief right now. Because there's no way this happened. There's no way. I just caught a 5.9. I just caught a 6.0. 23 inches. Now I just caught a 23 inch. But he's way bigger than the one I caught before.
Here it is.
Okay.
What do you got?
Get a measure. Oh, need to zero it out.
You got him?
There it goes. Nope. Nope. It's a zero. Shows zero. Let's go!
What the hell is it?
6'4". I just beat my
6'4"?
PB.
That's
4
your
days
PB?
in a row.
Man.
Every day I've gone fishing.
6'4".
I've got a new PB for 4 days in a row.
Boy, that's
Let's
what I'm
go.
talking about.
Let's
That's
go.
what I'm talking about,
Mike
man.
D, baby.
That's
Short dog
nice.
fishing. Let's
Yeah.
go.
Hell yeah, good shot, boy.
Mike D, baby. Short dog fishing. You know how we do. Look at
There
this
it
bucket
is.
mouth. 23 inches and a new PB.
And a quarter.
And a
23
quarter.
and a quarter.
My new PB didn't last 2 days. Jesus. And then my first PB didn't last a day.
Good shot.
Wow. Biggest bass I've ever caught.
That's it?
23
the
inches.
biggest bass?
6'3".
Good shot,
Let's
man.
go on my secret weapon. And look at that. Where are we at? Downtown, baby. Look at this.
Put them in the net. Just put them in the water for a second.
Look at this, baby. Let's go.
Okay. Good shot, Michael.
Thank you.
Hell yeah. Oh, hold that thing up here, boy. That's what I'm
Let's
talking
go,
about.
baby.
That's what I'm talking about. That's your PB right there.
Let's go, baby.
Yes, sir. Good shot.
New PB out here. 23 and a quarter. Let's get
Yep.
one on this GoPro here. There we go, baby.
23
Nice
and a
catch
quarter.
today.
New PB.
Here, Lady Bird produces hogs. Let me tell you.
Yes, sir.
If you don't know, now you know.
Now you know.
Come get you some.
Yup.
New PB. Putting that work in, it pays off.
Yup. Good shot, man.
Nice catch.
Hell
My
yeah.
biggest bass.
Good job.
There we go. Let's get a release on him.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and do it. Ready? There.
Let's go. New PB.
Yes, sir.
Make this the thumbnail. First part of the video. Heck yeah. Let's go, baby.
Here goes the photo. Ready?
Yeah.
Right there. Yes, sir. Good shot.
Yeah.
Let's get that release.
All right.
Let this baby go.
Okay. Bye, Big Bertha. Oh man, she's a
Let
beauty.
her get some oxygen. Hold on, let me see.
She's a beauty. Big bass.
She's ready to go. She's ready to
Such
go.
a giant. Bye. Thank you. That was a fun fight.
Oh, good shot, Michael.
Let's go.
Bam!
Let's go, baby.